Today we'll talk about how can you switch accounts on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, in first you just go down here. You click here on your down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go above settings, click on it here. So then when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just click here on switch account. You just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. If you have another account, you will find it here. If you don't, just click here on add an account, then it's going to take you to add new account. Then it's going to show for you here. Then can you switch between your two accounts. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.